KINSCOTER Portable Mini Aroma Diffuser. Elevate your atmosphere anywhere, anytime. In the quest for tranquility and relaxation, the KINSCOTER Portable Mini Aroma Diffuser emerges as a versatile companion, combining the benefits of a USB air humidifier, essential oil night light, and cold mist maker. This compact device is designed to infuse your surroundings with soothing scents and gentle illumination, creating a serene ambience at your fingertips. Features: Candlelight Lighting Effect. The KINSCOTER Portable Mini Aroma Diffuser not only functions as a USB air humidifier, but also simulates a warm candlelight lighting effect. The delicate night light adds a touch of sophistication to your space, creating an environment perfect for winding down after a long day. Filter-free aromatherapy. This diffuser eliminates the need for cotton filters, offering a hassle-free aromatherapy experience. Users can directly drop their favorite essential oils into the water, allowing the cold mist maker to disperse the fragrant mist, transforming any room into a tranquil oasis. Smart chip technology. Safety is paramount, and the diffuser is equipped with a built-in smart chip. This intelligent feature ensures automatic power off when water levels are low, providing peace of mind for users. The KINSCOTER Portable Mini Aroma Diffuser prioritizes both functionality and safety in its design. Parameter: size, with dimensions of 9.5 by 9.5 by 15 cm, D 2.85 in x H 4.5 in. This mini diffuser is designed to fit seamlessly into any space, making it perfect for home, office, or travel use. Capacity: the 120 ml water tank ensures an ample supply for continuous use, allowing users to enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy for extended periods. Spray volume: generating 10-15 ml/h of mist, the diffuser provides consistent and gentle mist dispersion, enhancing the overall aromatic experience. Use time: enjoy the tranquility for 8 to 12 hours, creating a peaceful atmosphere throughout the night or during your workday. Certification: with CE, RoHS, and FCC certifications, the KINSCOTER Portable Mini Aroma Diffuser meets international standards, assuring users of its quality and safety. Support for essential oils: compatible with a variety of aromatherapy essential oils. Users can personalize their experience and choose scents that suit their preferences. Instructions: adding water: carefully add water to the water tank, ensuring not to exceed the recommended water level. Power connection: connect the diffuser to the power supply using a 5V1A adapter, power bank, or computer USB interface. Spray activation: short press to activate the mist spray, and long press to initiate the night light mode, allowing users to customize their experience effortlessly. In conclusion, the KINSCOTER Portable Mini Aroma Diffuser is more than just a device. It's an invitation to transform your surroundings into a haven of relaxation. With its elegant design, intelligent features, and ease of use, this diffuser promises to enhance your well-being wherever life takes you. Bring the power of aromatherapy and ambient lighting to your fingertips with the KINSCOTER Portable Mini Aroma Diffuser, a pocket-sized oasis of calm.